Hello everyone, my name is Michelle and I'm gonna be a moderator of this presentation. By the way, I'm from group 3 and we're gonna talk about part of speech which is adverb. I think let's get started with this first speakers. I hope you enjoy our presentation.
What is an adverb? Adverb used in question to ask the reason for or purpose of something. An adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, and a whole sentence. For example, she runs quickly, modifies verb. It is very hard, modifies adjective, and he drives quite carefully, modifies adverb.
Okay, we'll in types of adverb, jenis-jenis adverbia. The first is adverb of manner, bagaimana atau how. Show how an action is done, menunjukkan bagaimana suatu tindakan dilakukan. Often end in lie, biasa berakhiran lie. Contoh, example, slowly, quickly, carefully, happily. Perlahan, cepat, hati-hati, dengan gembira. She sings beautifully. Dia bernyanyi dengan indah. The second, adverb of time. When, kapan. Example, now, sekarang. Yesterday, kemarin. Tomorrow, besok. Later, nanti. Soon, segera. Already, sudah. I will call you tomorrow. Saya akan menelepon Anda besok. The third, adverb of place. Where, di mana. Tells where something happened. Menunjukkan di mana sesuatu terjadi. Contoh, here, di sini. There, di sana. Outside, di luar. Everywhere, di mana-mana. Upstairs, di lantai atas. They are playing outside. Mereka sedang bermain di luar. The fourth, adverb of frequency. How often, seberapa sering. So, how often something happens. Menunjukkan seberapa sering sesuatu terjadi. Contoh, always, selalu. Usually, biasanya. Often, sering. Sometimes, kadang-kadang. Rarely, jarang. Never, tidak pernah. She always wakes up early. Dia selalu bangun pagi. The fifth, adverb of degree. How much, seberapa sering. Shows to what extent or how strong. Menunjukkan sejauh mana atau seberapa kuat. Contoh, very, sangat. Too, terlalu. Quite, cukup. Almost, hampir. Enough, cukup. Extremely, sangat. The test was very easy. Ujiannya sangat mudah. The sixth, adverb of purpose. Why, for what, mengapa, untuk apa. Show purpose, menunjukkan tujuan. Contoh, so that, in order to, agar. She studies hard so that she can pass. Dia belajar keras agar bisa lulus. 7. Adverb of confirmation or negation. Konfirmasi atau negasi. Shows agreement or denial. Menunjukkan persetujuan atau penolakan. Example, contoh, definitely, pasti. Certainly, tentu. Surely, pasti. Not, tidak. Never, tidak pernah. I will definitely join. Saya pasti akan bergabung. 8. Number 8. Adverb of probability. Keterangan probabilitas. Shows possibility, menunjukkan kemungkinan. Contoh, maybe, mungkin. Probably, mungkin. Perhaps, barangkali. Likely, kemungkinan besar. Surely, pasti. Maybe he is sick. Maybe he is sick. Maybe he is sick. Mungkin dia sakit. Well, sekian. Selanjutnya,
Possession of adverbs in the sentence. One, beginning of the sentence. Yesterday I visit my grandma. Two, middle of the sentence. Before my verb or after to be. She usually goes to school at 7. She is always happy. 3. End of the sentence. They played football outside.
Adjective and adverb. First, adjective. Describe noun, usually normally. Example, she is happy. Adverb, describe verb, adjective, and adverb. Often ends in ly. Example, she sings happily.
Verbs that do not end in ly. Some adverbs have the same form as the adjective. Fast, hard, late, early, and well. For the example, he runs fast, she works hard. Okay, everyone, I think that's all for today's presentation on adverbs, and I hope you've learned something new and useful. Thank you for listening, guys. Bye.